Alright, so with all the component shortages and global tensions messing up the PC hardware market right now, you'd expect everything to be getting more expensive. But surprisingly, monitors are kind of the exception. In fact, we're seeing some really solid deals, especially on OLED displays. And one deal that really stands out right now is LG's 27GS93QE-B. It's currently going for just $560 on Amazon, which is about 38% off its original price. Now, yeah, the name is a bit of a mess, but the specs definitely aren't. This is a 27-inch old gaming monitor with a 3rd Gen W OLED panel, running at a super smooth 240Hz refresh rate. Since it's OLED, you're getting those true blacks, super vibrant colors, and that premium contrast you just don't get with typical IPS or VA panels. It also covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color space, and it's factory calibrated. So right out of the box, colors look accurate and sharp. On top of that, LG is using their MLA Plus Micro Lens Array Plus tech, which boosts brightness for HDR content. They claim it can hit up to 1,300 nits peak brightness in certain scenes, which is seriously impressive for OLED. And thanks to the white subpixel in WOLED, it can actually get brighter than a lot of QD OLED panels. For gaming, this thing is stacked. You've got AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync support, plus OLED's near-instant response times. So even at 240 Hz, it feels insanely fast and smooth. Connectivity is solid too with HDMI 2.1, so it works perfectly with modern PCs and consoles. And there's even a headphone jack with DTS Headphone X support, which is a nice bonus. Now it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is slightly less than what some newer QD OLED monitors offer, but still decent overall. Also, quick tip, there's another model called the 27GS93QE-B. It's about $190 more, but the only real difference is some RGB lighting on the back. Performance-wise, they're basically identical, so you're better off saving the cash and going with the 27GS93QE-B. At under $500, this is honestly one of the best all-around OLED gaming monitors you can grab right now. And that's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.